Funny knocking when it's under load. It's funny, that happened the last time I was out on a chop before I changed the engine. I just noticed all the gears seem to be working alright, so that's alright. Oh, what the fuck's going on here? Let's take it. Take a different route. I might have to strip this engine again and change the con rods out on this one. So I don't reckon this crank's much bottle, to be honest. I'm sure it's a crank. I'm sure it's a little end on this. It's got that little end sound to it. There. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Where that tapping. For a dodgy crank, it's got a bit of. It's got some pull in it. That brake works surprisingly well. Oh, you ain't got no indicators. I'll tell you what. It might be these downpipes had holes in the exhausts, had holes on the inner tubes, and they got air holes at the top and the bottom. So I'm wondering if it's that. They don't vibrate that much, really. I like the sound of these pipes though, they sound alright. That popping on the left hand side, so air screw needs adjusting a little bit on that side. Stop out in our usual place and give it a little walk round and have a look at the finished product. The seat is pretty comfortable, although it's got no sponge in it. The shape of it is pretty comfortable. I don't seem to well, I ain't been over any bumps yet, so who knows. Easy getting in and out of gear. Oh. And there she blows. Probably slow that tick over down a little bit maybe. Let's hope I'm not just staring at the road again this time on the bike, on the camera. Because last time it was just staring at the road. And here he is. No oil leaks. Good news. Seems to tick over alright. Right. Yeah, I need to check my speedo, because the speedo's out with a using a 21-inch wheel, and there's a speedo ain't reading the correct speed. So it says I'm doing 40, but I don't think I'm doing 40. Probably doing more maybe. There's a camera up here that I can test the speed on, so we go past that and see what speed that tells me I'm doing, and check it against me speedo. Don't want to get done for speeding, do I? I changed the stator over in that Vigo yesterday, so now that's all charging. I've still got backfire and emission issues on that, so I'm going to have another look at that today when I go back with this. Just typical, you want to do a speed check and it's got some plonker in front here that don't want to. Oh yeah, now she's decided to get a move on. But according to my speedo, we're just doing just over 30. Saying back, so don't get a reading off me or not her. What does it say? 41. Oh, it's just like 10 mile an hour out. And another thing, this road's got a few bumps in it. Yeah, definitely no suspension on this at all. You'll soon end up brain dead, I tell you. Just to do a left and get on some smoother roads. You could probably hear it by my voice jumping about. Well, that's another thing. I need to check my battery voltage when I get back to give that a quick look and see if it's up to scratch or over the top, or because I've got an AGM battery on this. So there's no battery fluid. Oh, wait, if I go back that way, that means the traffic lights, doesn't it? Damn it. What other way can I go? That's solid. Go through the lights. Oh, that speed thing don't work. Just smiled at me. So I presume I'm in within the limit. Right, let's take it back and check the battery. Here we go. Battery was alright, that was 12.7 volts when we got back. So that checks out alright. Yes, that's not bad really. It'll do, quite warm. Just found the other crank. I'm just checking this this crank. It's still got all the copper on the insides of the conrods, so maybe I'll just whip it apart and just plonk this crank in.
Everything else seems to be right. There's hardly any play at all. There's no... just a fraction, I suppose. Fraction, a bit of twist. Shouldn't have any, but... There we see. Maybe new bearings in there. But that's another day. It's going to have to stay like it is for a while, I think, for the summer. Maybe in the winter I'll strip that down again. See how he goes. See if I get bored. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.